A1 English listening. My birthday.
Hi, I'm Emmanuel. Today is March 25th, and I'm excited because my birthday is next week. I will turn 29 on March 31st. In my family, I'm the only person with a birthday in March. I have two sisters and one brother. My brother's birthday is in January. It's on January 2nd. He loves celebrating his birthday and New Year's at the same time. One of my sister's birthdays is on July 8th. My other sister's birthday is on October 19th. My father's birthday is in September. It's on September 23rd. My mother's birthday is in December. It's on December 30th. I also have a girlfriend. Her birthday is on February 13th. We usually celebrate her birthday and Valentine's Day together. I love birthday parties, and I can't wait to celebrate my 29th birthday with my friends and family.